How to record video in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can record videos. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this record icon or option. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can record anything. So simply this is a type of camera that you can find at edits. Here you can see different tools that are available. So here you can directly add filters or you can even adjust the resolution too. So there are different options with which you can play on this video recording. So record it by simply tapping on this record button and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.